All right, guys, check this out. That's Juan Contreras. He was our first winner, and he's already on the roll. And now we're another giveaway again, and this time also for the front wheel drive guys. Anybody that wants to go 5 lug, this giveaway is going to include front 5 lug conversion with the calipers, or rear OEM arm 5 lug conversion. And look, it comes with stubbies. In case you don't want to go all-wheel drive, you can put the stubbies inside here to hold the hubs together so they don't get messed up. Delta 7 diff mount, the diff upper brace, lower control arms billet, and our billet forks. So all this giveaway starts today. We'll make an announcement here in a few minutes, and this is a good one, guys. So if you don't want to go all-wheel drive and you want a 5 lug conversion, you can do it using this whole kit. 5 lug conversion, and you can go 5 lug conversion and all-wheel drive, you know.